Start dinner. Dice up all your veggies. Add them into your pot. Your veggies are translucent. Add in your meat. Break that in. And get it all broken up and cook this down real well. The meat's cooking. We're going to go ahead and season it. So we're going to put some salt. We will add in onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and a little crushed red pepper flake, and then mix it around. Once your meat's done, drain it if you need to. I don't need to. Add in your favorite pasta sauce, whatever kind you want to use. Stir it around. We're going to re-season with the same seasonings we put in the meat. Mix that around real good. Get all your seasonings incorporated. Let this come back up to a boil, and then we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to let this simmer. The longer, the better. Spaghetti sauce has been cooking for 2 hours. Add in a little bit of butter and a little sugar. Stir that around. Add in some Parmesan. Now bring your salted water to a boil. We'll cook the noodles per the package. We like fettuccine noodles. When your noodles are done, add in parsley, salt, and butter and stir that around. And now dinner is ready.